morning. Today we're gonna learn about the word in Thai we took today. One Thai word again. So last video I taught you already about the word left. So today we're gonna learn the word right. Right. So in Thai, right is ขวา 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 So you can say something like turn right or go right. So it means like ไปขวา ไปขวา ขวา Right is ขวา So it's not very difficult. And then I try to teach you all together like one clip each for like the right direction. So the next one, the next video, we're gonna talk more about this direction. Okay, so one more time. Right, ขวา ขวา ขวา. Hope you enjoy it and see you for the next time. Bye bye.